going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, your go-to for all things travel. Today's room tour video is going to be the Preferred Club Master Suite Tropical View room. This room is probably the biggest room you can get on property. Master Suites are the largest rooms, the highest tier categories at the resort. They're going to offer you the most amenities in any of the rooms. Of course, they are Preferred Club, and they only come Preferred Club. You cannot get a non-Preferred Club Master Suite. They're automatically all Preferred Club, and there is an ocean view, and there is a tropical view. Personally, in this case, I like the tropical view more. That is just my opinion. But with that, it'll have a walkout. You'll see in the video a walkout, and you're right there at the Preferred Club pool area. So it's really easy to get to the Preferred Club pools, really access everything. Check out my video on the Preferred Club options there at Royal Beach because we go through that whole pool area so you can see it. You'll also see in this, it will also include a personal hot tub right there on property on your room, as well as a 1-bedroom in the common area. So it is quite a large suite. There's 2 bathrooms in there, plenty of space for everybody to walk out to the thing. So it is a very nice room. But if you have any questions about this or any of the other rooms, let us know. RJT Travels is a fully certified Hyatt inclusive brand. We can help you with any of the secrets brands that are out there. So let us know on any of the resorts that you have questions of. rjttravels.com. Give us a call on our main number. We're always happy to help and set you up with whatever you need. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. There's plenty of videos on here about Secrets Royal Beach, plenty of videos on different sandals. We're going to new resorts here in a few months. Over the next few months, we'll have plenty of content to be adding to the channel all the time. So I hope this helped. I hope the video gives you some insight. If you have any questions, let us know. But until then, thanks guys, and happy travels.